This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markel, Breaking Front End Magazine. This tip is both for the people at the front counter selling the service and the people back in the bay. In the international bestseller, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, the number 4 habit is create win-win situations. This win-win strategy can be found in the form of brake rotors with anti-corrosion coating on the hat and fins. For the customer, the win is the cosmetics of the rotor, because you don't see too many cars these days with steel wheels. And if you see a nice painted hat next to a silver wheel that's alloy, it's going to look great for the customer, and it's going to look great for years because you're avoiding the corrosion that would appear on the hat and then also with the fins too. The win for the technician comes in with this right here. This surface, if it's coated properly, can prevent corrosion that occurs between it and the hub itself. This can make it a lot easier for you if you have to remove the rotor later on. Let's say the customer comes back for a wheel bearing or a front end work where the rotor has to be removed from the vehicle. Simply put, it's going to make it a lot easier for them because they're not dealing with a rusted rotor. So that's the win. The win for the consumers is the cosmetics. The win for the technician is ease of removal. I'm Andrew Markel with Breaking Front End Magazine. Thank you very much.